Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video clip, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily save a voice message with WhatsApp to your iPhone as a file. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, be sure to put your likes, and also do not forget to write comments after watching the video. And let us get started with you. And first of all, please open the WhatsApp application on your phone. And then you need to go to the chat section. And here select the chat where you have voice messages that you would like to save. And as you can see, I have them. In order to save them to your iPhone as a file, you will need to tap and hold on the voice message until you get a little menu like this. Here, you will need to select the forward section. Next, in the bottom right corner, select the share button. And now you're gonna pull this menu up a little bit, and you'll be able to save it to your files. And now, friends, you will be able to save your voice message to files. You can add it to whatever folder opens up for you, or you can create some new folder by clicking on the three dots at the top, or you can choose some other folder from all of the folders that you have. And when you have decided where you want to save this voice message, just click Just Save. And now to check if it's saved to a file, go to the File app on your iPhone and then find the folder that you saved it to, and as you can see, I have the audio that I just saved. It's in the files as a file. Friends, by this kind of very simple ways, you will be able to in WhatsApp to save your voice messages as a file on your iPhone. Friends, I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to this channel, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.